Hey Auto Good fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a truck that represents Toyota's bold move into the heart of the American market. It's rugged, powerful, and designed specifically to meet the demands of American truck buyers. From towing boats to hauling heavy loads to tackling wide-open highways, this is the Toyota Tundra, a full-size truck built for American roads. When the Tundra first launched in 1999, it marked Toyota's entry into the highly competitive full-size pickup segment, a class dominated by the likes of Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram for decades. American brands ruled the pickup landscape, but Toyota saw an opportunity. With a reputation for reliability and engineering excellence, Toyota set out to create a truck that could stand toe-to-toe with the Detroit Giants. The Tundra wasn't just an import, it was built in America. For America, and that gave it credibility from the start. Over the years, the Tundra has evolved into a serious contender, and the latest generation is proof of how far it's come. Gone is the old V8 engine, replaced by a new twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This engine may be smaller, but it's more powerful and more efficient, producing up to 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. And for those who want even more, Toyota offers the iForce Max hybrid version, pushing output to an impressive 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. That kind of muscle means the Tundra can tow up to 12,000 pounds, making it a serious workhorse while also delivering better fuel economy than its predecessors. But the Tundra isn't just about raw power, it's about capability and comfort. Built on Toyota's new TNGA-F platform, the same one used by the Land Cruiser, the Tundra is stronger, lighter, and more refined than ever. It uses a fully boxed steel frame for durability and coil spring rear suspension for improved ride comfort, a big step up from the old leaf spring design. Whether you're towing heavy trailers, venturing off-road, or just cruising through the city, the Tundra feels solid and composed, a truck built for the variety of American roads and lifestyles. Inside, Toyota has transformed the Tundra into a modern, tech-filled space. Gone are the days of simple, bare-bones truck interiors. The new Tundra offers a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital gauge cluster on higher trims, and premium touches like leather upholstery, wood accents, and even ventilated seats. It's a cabin that blends rugged utility with genuine luxury, especially in the higher trims like the Platinum and 1794 edition. Families will appreciate the roomy crew cab, while workers will love the clever storage and practical layout. Of course, Toyota hasn't forgotten about safety. Every Tundra comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. So what does the Tundra mean in the bigger picture? It proves that Toyota can build a truck that's not just reliable, but competitive in every aspect: performance, technology, comfort, and capability. It's a vehicle that takes Toyota's legendary dependability and applies it to one of the most uniquely American automotive segments, creating a truck that feels at home towing across Texas, navigating snowy roads in Colorado, or cruising highways from coast to coast. What do you think, Auto Good fam? Does the Tundra have what it takes to rival the American Big Three? Or is it still the underdog in the full-size truck wars? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars and trucks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.